This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Now see, in this lecture I am going to show you a sample program that will be typed in Notepad and will be executed on the console. Okay.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Okay, just open the Notepad. And start typing your Python program. Let me change the font. I will make it somewhat bigger. Okay, so suppose there is a variable a is equal to 100, another variable is suppose b is equal to 1000, and after that I'm going to write c is equal to a into b, then I will write print multiplication is plus strc. So I have used str because I might have explained it earlier also, but let me explain it again. Multiplication is, this is within double quotes, and whatever is within double quotes, that is considered as string, and particularly this is the string constant, right? And this is string data type, and here I am using strc. If I try to use only c, it is erroneous because plus is the concatenation symbol that joins both together, and on both the sides the data type should remain the same. So hence, using str, what I am doing is, using str I am trying to change the data type of c to string. Okay, so far so good. So now I am going to save this program. File, save as. Let me save in a folder called temp. You can save it in the folder of your choice, and I type it, suppose the name is first.py. Now listen carefully. Whatever name you want to give, that is there isn't any problem. You can give ABC, XYZ, or whatever name you want to give to your Python program. But one thing is for sure, the extension py is compulsory. If you don't give this extension, the program will be saved with the extension txt, and that will be erroneous because that will not be interpreted by Python interpreter and your program will not run. So py extension is mandatory. Save. Okay, there was already a program with the same name. Okay, I have overwritten it. So it's a simple program. Variable a has been assigned the value 100, b has been assigned 1000, c is equal to a into b is going to give a value 100,000, and subsequently I will print that value. Now let's go to the command prompt, click on start, cmd, press enter. Let me change the font here also. Right mouse button on the title bar, properties, font, and okay. So by typing cd/temp, what I am doing is I am switching to the directory where I have typed the program. I am switching to the folder where I have typed the program. The name of the program was temp. Name of the folder was temp. So in the folder temp I had typed the program first.py. So if you want to see it, you can see it, dir first.py. Yes, the program is present. Now in order to execute this program, I would write python first.py. See, the program has been executed. Multiplication is 100,000. The output has been generated. Now see, what is Python? As I have shown you in the previous lecture, Python is the application program with the full name python.exe. Now right now I am working in the directory temp. How did it find the application program Python and executed this? Because we had set the path, environment variable path, and in environment variable path we mentioned the whole path where Python application file was present.